What's up, y'all? Got a good one for you today. We're exploring how you can further stave off wrist pain and help build those bulletproof wrists. How do you do that? Well, I'm Master Hogan, and the answer to that is the false grip, but different than what we previously explored. We're going to do the false grip on a bar this time. It's a little bit different. Okay. So first, how do you do it? Well, the difference here is that you will take your wrist in this way, and when you grip, when you flex, so to speak, the bottom skin part of your hand, the meat of your hand, as they call it, will bunch up. You can kind of see right there. And that crease between where the meat of my hand is and my wrist is where the bar will kind of sit. So once you do that, you will place your fist over the bar, and then you will be using friction and 100% grip and forearm strength to hold yourself up. That is the difference, okay? Along with that, in this position, you're mostly just holding. With the rings, you're moving your wrist in all kinds of different ways while still maintaining that false grip. So there's a little bit more of a stimulus there, but this one, since it is just for holding more or less, you are going to basically just want to use it for volume, as much as you can of it. And as well, therefore, it's not really the best apparatus to train up to, so I would probably just use it to supplement other training. Okay. From there, you could eventually, once you are strong enough to hold that for long enough, you could start trying to even do a pull-up with that, and to further test how well you can hold on to the bar. It's a bit difficult, I will say, but it is a good challenge, and you will definitely get a good forearm workout and increase your grip strength this way. So as far as flexibility, doing this is just another way to increase the strength at the very flexion end range of your wrist, and just another piece in the wrist mobility. Okay, so give that one a try. I would say when you are programming this, start with time and progressively try to increase your time as you're working on it. And then eventually you can start playing around with the pull-up. And then you could start playing around with doing more reps of the pull-up. But just remember, the intention matters. So if your intention is to train your grip with this, then it might not necessarily fit in the pull-up the same way. Okay, so that's just something to consider. Other than that, the only other thing that I need to mention is that it's kind of extreme, and you really want to grip your fist very tightly when you're holding. Okay, so you can't really have loose fingers. You can't make a loose fist. You'll need to grip extremely tight to keep that shelf, the shelf of your wrist and your skin bunched up at the bottom. Okay, or else your fingers will start to push into the bar, and it's just a little uncomfortable. It won't really hurt them, but it can just become uncomfortable if you don't perform it that way. Just a little pro tip there. Other than that, that is how you do this. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. I'm Master Hogan. If you like what you see, follow and subscribe. Take care. Peace.